Homemade fresh strawberry meringue cake. Welcome to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we're going to create a delightful homemade fresh strawberry meringue cake. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, and it's bursting with the goodness of fresh strawberries. Let's dive into the recipe. 1½ cups fresh strawberries, washed and chopped. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 6 large egg whites, at room temperature. 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups whipped cream. 1 pre-made sponge cake or homemade cake of your choice. Now, let's start with the steps. Step 1: Making the strawberry compote. Begin by placing the chopped strawberries in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of sugar and stir occasionally until the strawberries break down and the mixture thickens into a compote. Set it aside to cool. Step 2: Preparing the meringue in a clean mixing bowl. Add the egg whites and beat them until foamy. Add cream of tartar to stabilize the meringue. Gradually pour in the remaining sugar while continuing to beat until stiff, glossy peaks form. Mix in the vanilla extract gently. Step 3: Assembling the cake. Take your pre-made sponge cake or homemade cake and place it on a serving platter. Spread a layer of the whipped cream on top, then add a generous amount of the strawberry compote over the cream layer. Place another layer of cake on top and repeat the process until you've used all your layers. Step 4: Decorating with meringue. Cover the entire cake with a prepared meringue, creating beautiful peaks with the back of a spoon or spatula. You can be as creative as you'd like with the design. Step 5: Baking the meringue. Pop the cake into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the meringue turns golden brown. Step 6: Final touches. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool for a bit. Then, slice and serve this delicious homemade fresh strawberry meringue cake. And there you have it, a stunning homemade fresh strawberry meringue cake that's sure to impress your friends and family. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delectable recipes. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. See you next time. Thank you very much, fresh strawberry meringue cake lovers.